Hey, if you're tired of dealing with floss and floss picks, this water flosser might be a right option for you. Now, my dentist recommended that I get this, especially to deal with some gingivitis that I have, and it's been really helpful. This thing has four different modes for as far as strength. So it has from strong, normal, soft, and DIY. So DIY gives you the ability to dynamically set exactly the water pressure that you prefer. So the way that works is you set to DIY and then you push the power button and then you hold down that power button again until you have the exact pressure that you want, and then you just release. This thing also comes with five different types of tips. Most of them are the same. I think they're just replacements. If they get old or dirty, you can just dispose of them. But I really like that one of them comes with a rubber tip. So if you do have sensitive gums, you might want to start with that first. And of course, start with softer power mode before going on to the strong mode. But overall, this is going to be really helpful. It's going to clear up some of the gunk in between my teeth and hopefully help with my gums. Hope you found this helpful. Have a great one.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.